Hi, Caleb with Brownells here, and in today's product spotlight, we're going to be taking a look at the BRN 733 upper receiver. Alright, so this obviously being a retro upper receiver, and it uses a C7 upper, so let me just kind of run through and tell you what that is and kind of why it matters. So as far as retro receivers go, you'll notice that the C7 isn't a true A1 upper, nor is it a true A2 upper. So it's a Canadian contract upper receiver that Colt made back in the day, and basically it's just a mix of the two. It's an A1 receiver for all intents and purposes. There's some other minor differences, but it's an A1 upper receiver with a shell deflector. That's the easiest way to tell it apart from all the others. So you still have that A1 style rear sight, but you have a shell deflector of the A2 style, which is pretty interesting. This one right here has an 11.5-inch barrel with a non-F marked front sight post, okay, to match that A1 rear upper receiver. And then you have a standard birdcage flash hider. Alright, and 1 7 twist barrels, and that's really all there is to it. And as with most of our other retro stuff, you have that retro slip ring assembly back here, phosphate chrome bolt carrier group, properly staked gas key, everything you already expect from us, right? Standard charging handle, and then you have that elongated forward assist, period correct, right? So if you're looking to get into the retro game with something that's a little bit shorter, that Commando style upper receiver, this is the one to do it with. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them down below if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching us on the website, feel free to give us a call on the tech line. We'll be happy to help you out. And for all of you YouTubers out there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.